Hi Yatharth, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Are you excited?
Yeah, pretty much excited.
So let's start with your interview.
Sure.
So tell me about yourself.
Yeah. I'm Yatharth Donde. Right now, I'm pursuing Masters in Engineering Specialization in Management from University of Wollongong, Australia. Previously, I have done my Bachelor's in Electronics and Telecommunication from Pune Institute of Computer Technology. And during my bachelor's period, I have done two internships. One was in the leading aerospace industry, Hindustan Aeronautics and Limited. So, and I was also in part of many college events, especially in social services like Joy of Giving, where we used to distribute clothes to the unprivileged children, and also we used to distribute books, textbooks to unprivileged children. And the another thing in my bachelor's, uh, I won the first national prize in my final year project, which was virtual piano using image processing. And After my bachelor's, I got a very good opportunity on the basis of my project, and I got placed in an industry which was automated in the automation industry, classic engineers and contractors in Mumbai. There, I was working as a junior engineer. Apart from this, I have a very I'm very fond of reading management and financial books, and I just love reading. And I also love swimming, and I play cricket.
Excellent. So what makes you think you're eligible for this position?
Yeah. When I was working in classic engineers and contractor back in India, uh, I was a part of a team of 8 members where we used to deal with the multiple projects in automation industry. Our mainly customers were the food industry and the basically the industries which need an automation help. So um, during that process, I dealt with many project skills, and in my team, my main part was to uh, allocate the task to each member. So during that process and my career in classic engineers and contractors, I learned various project management skills. And while studying in masters, I had a subject project management where my main task our my main task was to lead a team of 5 members, and in which we had to make a project on basically we had to analyze the failure of Berlin's Brandenburg airport. And uh, in that period of my subject, I dealt my team very well, and we were appreciated with my professors and colleagues, and that's it.
Yeah, that's good. Please provide an example of where you have built motivation and cooperation within a team.
Sure. So when I was studying in University of Wollongong, my main there was a subject innovation and design. In that subject, basically, we had to innovate a project, and within a team of 5 members. So my team had people from the diverse nationalities, and we decided by cooperating with the team and brainstorming, we got an idea and we started working on that. But in between the middle of the time, in our semester, our professor, he just rejected our idea due to some reasons. So in the due to this, many of our members got demotivated. So as a team leader, I had to motivate them, and by my analyzing, and I started researching what went wrong, and we created a new idea, and that idea was approved, and we started working on that idea. So I kept motivating my team members. I allocated them tasks. I allocated them tasks as per their knowledge and their background. and so it helped very well, and the we completed our project within the deadline. So I guess this is the best example.
Okay. So, have you ever encountered a problem which required you to come up with particularly creative solution? Please describe that situation and your solution.
Sure. So back in India, when in during my first job in Classic Engineers, I was working as a junior engineer. In that team, we got a project. We had to make a packaging, automated packaging system for an industry, and the customer requirements were we had to improve the efficiency and make an innovative design so that the time of the packaging will be less. So as I used my automation skills, and I developed a design using a PLC programming and using my SCADA skills, and I was I actually achieved the improved the efficiency by 30%, and my design was actually got selected by that industry, and that project was implemented using my design. So I guess this was the best example, and this was the best I was appreciated by with this project, and I also received a certificate for best innovation for that industry.
Oh, that's great. So, I've completed my questions for you. Do you have any questions for us?
Yes, if I get an opportunity to work with you in your esteemed organization, I would like to know what will be my day-to-day routine. Yeah, that's it.
So, your day to day routine would be like a 9 to 5 job in which you would have a break of 1 hour in between, a lunch break.
That's great.
So, it's much similar to what you have worked in your company previously.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Any other questions?
No, that's it.
Thank you.